Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anju Yadav and today I'm going to review a movie, a Minecraft movie. It's an amazing movie and hope you guys are like it and enjoying it. If you guys like it, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and let us do in a comment section how this movie review is. So now let's start a movie review. First of all, I wanted to tell that many people feel that it is a complete movie, but not so it is, guys, because it is in complete review and facts. So through this video I'm going to tell that how much has been invested in this film, how much has been earned from this film, and the most important thing, how many actors and actresses are there in this film, what are the story of this film. So through this video I'm going to clear all of these things. So now let's start a movie review, a Minecraft movie, and hope it's an amazing movie and you're gonna be definitely love this film. So now let's start a movie review. A Minecraft movie is a 2025 adventure comedy film based on the 2011 video game Minecraft, developed and published on Mojang Studios. Directed by Jared Hess from a screenplay by Chris Bowman, Hubel Pilmer, Neil Widener, Gavin James, and Chris Galletta. Based on a story by Alison Slaughter, Bowman, a Palmer, the film star Jensen Momoa, and Bowman Palmer, the star Jensen Momoa, Jack Black, Emma Mayer, Daniel Brooks, Sebastian Hansen, and Jennifer Coolidge. It follows four misfits from the fictional town of Chuck Glass, Idaho, who are pulled through a portal into a cubic world and must embark on a quest back to the real world with the help of an expert named Steve. Plan for a Minecraft film adaptation originated in 2014 when game creator Marcus Persson revealed that Mojang Studio was in talk with Warner Bros. To develop the project. Throughout development, the film shifted between several director, producer, and story draft by 2022 Legendary Entertainment become involved, and Hess was hired and directed with Moama in talk to star. Further casting took place from May 23 to January 24. Principal photography being later that month in New Zealand and concluded in April 2024. Mark Motherberg composed the score and Sony Pictures Imageworks, VetaFX and Digital Domain provided the film visual effect. A Minecraft movie premiered in London on March 30, 2025 and was released in the United States and Sweden on April 4 by Warner Bros. Pictures. The film received mixed reviews from critics and was box office success, grossing around 961 million and becoming the fifth highest grossing film of 2025 and the third highest grossing video game film of all time. A sequel, a Minecraft movie Squad, are scheduled for release on July 23, 2027. Now here we are talking about the plot of the movie, so hope you guys are like it and enjoying it. If you guys like it, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and let us do in a comment section how this movie review is. So, struggling Rocknob salesman Steve goes to work in a mine to fulfill a childhood dream where he discovered the orb of dominance and the earth crystal when combined. They create a portal that they transport him to the overworld, a world where the terrain is made of easily manipulated cubes. He built his own city and later stumbled a cubes across a portal to a hellish world called the Nether. He is imprisoned by Malgosha, the gold-obsessed piglin ruler of the Nether, who gravely discourages creativity, and still Steve dogged Dennis because the orb would allow her to control the overworld. Steve has dogged Dennis escape with the orb and crystal and hide that under his bed in the real world. Sometime later, 1980s video game champion Garrett the Garbage Man Grayson owned a failing video game store in Chuck Glasses, Idaho. He had a storage action to acquire item to sell off her crash, ultimately winning the content of Steve old house while searching through the item, particularly hoping to find an Atari Cosmo. He instead finds the empty case and Steve old belonging. While searching throughout the houses, he finds the orb and crystal to his anger and confusion. Sibling Henry and Natalia moved to Chung Glasses following their mother's death. The two meet down their real estate agent who also ran as a mobile painting zoo on Henry's first day of school. He get in trouble with his experimental jetpack is substage and damage the potato chips factory mascot Chuggy to avoid explosion from Vice Principal Merlin. He pays Garrett to play his uncle at Garrett's video game store. Henry discovered the orb and a crystal and combined them, leading the two Steve's me. Natalia finds out Henry is missing and calls down who track down Henry's location via Natalia's phone. As they reunite, they are stuck into the portal and arrive in the overworld. Malgosha learns that the orb has returned and release Steve from his imprisonment in the Nether and reclaim it, claiming that she is Dennis as a hostage. While fighting off monsters at night, Henry learned to manipulate block and build a dirt fortress. The earth crystal is destroyed in the convention. Steve appears at dawn and defeats the monster as she tells the group that replacement crystal will need it from the woodland mansion and join them to prepare for his quest. He leads them to nearby. And join the woodland mansion and to prepare for his quest. So village and demonstrated how to craft attack on village. Garrett and Henry narrowly escape while Natalia and Don separated from the best friend Dennis. Malgosh responded by sending out the great hog, a massive piglin. When Steve mentioned that he had hoard of diamond, Garrett became interested and demand access on an addition condition to holding over the job. They make a distributor to find hard, but Henry is angered by their disintegrated for Natalia's safety. When the Great Hugh arrive, they escape using minecart and the Hugh is blown up a creeper. Arriving at the mansion, Steve and Garrett attempt to distract the guard while Henry acquires both the earth crystal and the ender pearl which can facilitate one deadly potion. Malgosha return to and destroy the bridge and mansion. Steve and Henry lose the orb to her, but escape as Garrett seemingly sacrificed himself in the blast. The two awaken with Dawn, Natalia and Dennis in Mushroom House. Malgosha uses the orb to superpower to nether portal, blotting out the sun and declaring war on the overworld. So the party craft are essential or weaponry and an army of iron globes to fighting the pilgrim invention while Steve fight Malgosha. Henry uses the Ender Pearl to obtain the orb restoring the sunlight and causing Malgosha and her army to zombify. The party, including Garrett, who survived the explosion, returned to Chuck Glasses, where they developed the successful video blog City Battle Buddies. Dawn opened her zoo with Dennis and attraction. Natalia opened a dozo. Henry complete his jetpack and Garrett revitalized the game store with Steve. Now here we are talking about the production of the movie. So hope you guys are like it and enjoying it. If you guys like it, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and let us do in a comment section how the production is. So now let's start our production. Following a series of offers from Hollywood producer to create Minecraft movie related television series and a crowdfunding campaign for a fan film that was shut down by Minecraft creator Marcus Notched Person revealed that Mojang Studios was in talks with Warner Bros. To develop official Minecraft film in February 2014. Later in October, Mojang CCO View Views stated that the movie was in early development and would be a large budget production. He also said that the film might not release until yet least 2018, but originally Roy Lee and Jill Massig were set to produce the project. The same month, Warner Bros. Hired Sean Levy to direct the film, though he and writer Karen Michael Morloni, who were developing the film together, left the project by December. By July 2015, Warner Bros. Hired Rob MC and Lenny to direct the film. He said that he had been drawn to film based on the open world nature of the game, an idea Warner Bros. Had initially agreed with and for which they had provided him with a preliminary US $150 million budget. Early production started in 2016 and an initial release date was announced for May 2014, and Johnson Fudge was set to write and script of the film by Steve Carell and going to star at the voice and script of the film. Steve Carell going to star the voice of an unknown character. However, by late 2016, Only Minecraft film slowly died to a when after studio's executive Greg Silverman departure from Warner Bros. In late In late 2016, Aaron and Adam Annie were tapped to rewrite the script and the film was delayed as a result. No new director was announced at that time. By January 2019, Peter Scarlett was announced to write and direct the film, which would feature an entirely different story from MC Allen's version. Messick, who died in 2018, was posthumously credited as producers. The original vision Solid had for the film involved a teenage girl and her unlucky group of adventure. As they set out on a quest and defeat of Ender Dragon, a final boss of original Minecraft game, Dragon, the final boss of original, the film was later given a new release date of March 4, 2022. In June 2019, Alison Slaughter was hired to write the script and co-write the story with Slaughter. Due to COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, Warner Bros. Was forced to adjust its release schedule, which included removing the Minecraft film from its planned release date. In April 22, production on the Minecraft film was announced to be moving forward without Solid and Slaughter, and Jared has now set to direct Legendary Entertainment to co-produce. So Johnson Momoa is in early talk to star. The film was confirmed to be believe action. It was also reported that Chris Bowman and Hubble Palmer, who collaborated with Hess Mastermind 2016, would rewrite the script. Producer Raw Lee credited new leadership at Warner Bros. For pushing for the film into production after so many years, saying Toby Emmerich shut it down when he has first started, and if he had never run Warner Bros., it would been made year earlier. It was only after Pam and Mike started that they reignited the project and it got made. Now here we are talking about the development of the film, so hope you guys are like it and enjoying it. If you guys like it, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and let us do in a comment section how this film review is. So he has involvement in the film being after a separate project he was developing with Legendary never materialized, and he was involved by the studio to pitch to take for the Minecraft adaptation. He later stated that he enjoyed trying to adapt something that doesn't have a story. It's an open sandbox game and hoped to find an opportunity for fun, ridiculous movie. The film's final writing credit went to Chris Bowman, Hubble Plummer, Wild Gavin James, and Chris Galetta, who wrote the film for story by Alison Slaughter, Bowman, and Plummer. From off-screen addition, literally material credit was given to Hess, MC Glenn Fush, Megan Arman, Kevin Blagel, John Flenches, and other Augusta Jackson, Leori Nee, Adam Nee Zekpen, Simon Rich Peter Solid, and Stan and Zon Steffe while adapting Minecraft into a film, the production crew aimed to make sure that the project present in the film were faithful to the game, made up only of cube. This include everything from tree to fruit. Several YouTubers and members of Minecraft movie community were present during the production of film. YouTuber Mumbo Zombo contributed toward designing some of pros. So, when writing and directing the film, the team adopted to make a story based on Minecraft rather than making an official canon story, which they viewed as a A-line Minecraft nature sandbox game that let players create their own stories. As such, the film was titled a Minecraft movie rather than the Minecraft film. The concept is also applied to the film depiction of one Minecraft's character Steve, which the production crew described Jack Black version as one of many Steve not meet to represent the Steve present in Minecraft. So James Thomas served as the film editor. While a Minecraft movie is predominantly a live action film, it uses a heavy amount of computer animation to simulate the retrained animal. Monster and other object, green screen and in-studio light were also extensively, and a 3D model were imported into Unreal Engine to create virtual environment of various sets, which were used throughout the production of the film. Visual effects for the film were provided by Sony Pictures Imageworks, Veta FX, and Digital Domain, with Dane Lemon serving as visual effects supervisor. Now here we are talking about the casting of the movie. So hope you guys are like it and enjoying it. If you guys like it, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and let us do in a comment section how this review is. So around the same time that Hess was announced to direct the film, it was also stated that Moama would star in the film. But in May 23, Matt Berry entered negotiation to join the cast, while Daniel Brooke and Sebastian Eugen Hansen joined the cast in November, and Emma Mayer joined the cast in December. Jack Black, who previously collaborated with Hess on Nicho Libre, in 2006, joined the cast in January 2014, teasing his casting in the film via his official Instagram account. Originally, Barry was supposed to play Steve, while Black was set only appeared in a cameo in form of Taking Big. But due to the 2023 Hollywood labor dispute, Barry had to vacate the role, with Black taking over the role of Steve. According to producer Torfy Franz Olsfon, Black depiction of Steve was specific to him. At the time, the Black casting Jennifer Coolidge, Kate McKinnon, and Gemini Clement were also cast in the undisclosed role. YouTuber Valkyr was originally set to appear in the film but was removed after she openly caused Moma mistreating the casting and production film crew. So, this is the complete review of the film, so hope you guys are like it and enjoying it. If you guys like it, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and let us do in a comment section how this movie review is. So thank you very much guys for joining us till the end of the video. Keep loving, keep watching. Till then, take care. We will meet soon in my next video. Thank you very much.